everyone, how are you all? With hope you all are fit and fine at home, children. So children, once again today I am going to make a video for you all. So with hope, children, this video you all will watch till in. And in this video, children, today I am going to recall you the taught chapter. Is this chapter already I taught you many times, but once again, children, at a glance I will make you revise. Why? Because whenever you will understood this chapter very nicely, you can solve the question, answer, fill in the blanks, everything you can solve in very easily. So that's why, children, in each video I explain the question what this chapter. Okay, so once again I'm just going to recall you the chapter. Lesson is here 7, and the name of the lesson is here forgiveness. And forgiveness, it means forgive. Forgive means to not to see the mistake of others. We should show to love and kindness to one another. Okay, and we should always try to make them feel happy, love and hopeful. Okay, children. So and name of the chapter is here Archana's doll. In this story you all have seen one doll, Archana's doll. The name of her doll is Pretty. Okay, and one day Archana's mother brought a doll for Archana, and she feel very happy. That's why she wants to show her doll to her friend, and her name is Ruchi. But and she shows and she shared. You can see my doll. Its name is Pretty. It is very beautiful. So Ruchi does not feel nice. She feel very jealous. So Ruchi suddenly she snatched her doll and broke it. She pulled its out leg and arms. But so Ruchi said never she will talk. But at last, after speaking her mother, she shared about the Ruchi, because she is also Ruchi. Ruchi was very good girl, but must be maybe she was absent by the speaking of her mother. She has told, yes, maybe she was upset. That's why she doesn't have a doll like yours. So don't you think you should forgive her? Her mother said, Archana's mother said, you should forgive her. But she said no. But at last soon she think about the Ruchi. Yes, soon Archana thinking about the Ruchi. She think about, yes, maybe she must be she is upset. That's why she what broken my doll, so I should forgive her. So one day she again went to Ruchi's house and she said, I have brought for you a doll or cookies, but because her mother given cookies for Ruchi. So at last Ruchi also felt very sorry. So at last she spoken sorry, and and they again started to play each other. So at last, what you all have seen, children, in this story, you all have seen what in this story Archana forgive Ruchi. Yes, Archana's forgive Ruchi. She forget her mistake and she forgiven her. So you should also, children, we should never see the mistake of others. We should always show to your love and kindness to one another. Okay, children. So this what is the moral of this story? Moral of the story is here what we should always forgive each other mistake, and always try to give the what love and kindness to one another. Now, children, after that, children, today it means in this story the main topic is your forgiveness. So children, today you all are going to know about the forgiveness. It means some sentence you all will know about the forgiveness. So short notes on forgiveness, you all will listen very carefully and try to learn. Okay, like start. Forgiveness. Spelling of forgiveness, Forgiveness. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is a great moral virtue. Moral virtue, it means it is a good habits. Yes, when you forgive each other mistake, it is very good habit. So children, every should follow these habits because it is very good. It is a very good moral virtue. Okay, virtue, it means very good habit. So forgiveness is a great moral virtue because you learn something, you get moral from this forgiveness. Okay, children, that's why it has written forgiveness is a great moral virtue. And what do you mean? Forgiveness means to forget someone's bad deeds. Yes, to forget someone bad behavior, to forget someone bad mistake. Okay, we should always forgive. Okay, so forgiveness means to forget someone bad deeds or mistake. Always you should forgive, and just forgive, and always show your love and kindness to you to one another. Third, when we forgive others, we feel happy. Yes, children, whenever someone is making mistake and when you forgive their mistake, how do we feel? We feel very happy. That's why it has written here, when we forgive others. When we forgive others, we feel happy. So if you want to be happy, children, what you have to do? You should forgive each other mistake, and whenever you will forgive each other mistake, you all will feel very happy. Okay, children, so now after that, we should forgive others mistake. That's why it is written, we should always forgive each other mistake. Okay, children, so you should also forgive each other mistake. At the last, the act of forgiveness also increases energy and overall well-being. Yes, whenever forgive each other mistake, it will increase your energy, it will increase your confident power. So overall being, it will everything, it will be increased. So children, if you want to show your confident, okay children, so what you have to do? You should forgive each other mistake. So at last, children, again I'm just making you revise this short notes on forgiveness. Like first is here, forgiveness is a great moral virtue. VIRTUE, virtue. After that, forgiveness means to forget someone bad deed or mistake. It means forgiveness means to forget. Forget means not need to remember their bad deeds, bad behavior, mistake. Just forget it. If someone have done mistake, children, what you have to do? You should forgive each other mistake. Okay, so forgiveness means to forget someone bad deeds or mistake. Now, when we forgive others, how do we feel, children? Sad? No. When we forgive others, we feel very happy. So if you want to be happy, what you have to do? Yes, you should forgive. You should forgive each other mistake. When you forgive others mistake, we feel very happy. Okay, you all. And then, so we should forgive others mistake. We should forgive others mistake. At last, the act of forgiveness also increases energy. Yes, it increases confident power. Okay, children, so we should always forgive each other mistake. Okay, and the act of forgiveness also increases energy. Spelling of energy, ENERGY, energy. Okay, everyone, so these are the few lines on forgiveness. So with hope, children, you all have learned, and maybe some students have not learned. After watching this video, you just recall this for short notes on forgiveness, and what again and again try to understand. Okay, children, now after that, children, you all are going to read one prayer. So with me, you all will speak, and if some hard words are there, you will also underline in your copy. Like first prayer is here. Say everyone, oh peerless, oh peerless. And what is the spell meaning of peerless? It means having no equal. It means unequal. Oh unequal, what? Oh peerless Lord, oh peerless Lord, Lord, be thou the shelter. Shelter, it means your what? Shelter. O peerless Lord, be thou the shelter. Spelling of shelter, 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 shelter. O peerless Lord, be thou the shelter for this poor child, and kind of forgiving my master unto this adding an unhappy soul. Unto this adding an unhappy soul. Unhappy, it means what? Not happy, sad, or also upset. So, O peerless Lord, it means having no equal, you always be thou the shelter of poor child, and be also kind, forgiving master. You should also forgiving mistake, and on unto this adding an unhappy soul. Okay children, so this is the prayer of your quotation sheet. So you all will learn this prayer. Again speak. O peerless Lord, be thou the shelter for this poor child, and a kind and forgiving master unto this adding an unhappy soul. Okay children, now one song you all are going to read. So are you ready to speak children? You all will speak with me. Okay, now just start. Like first, like what prayer is here? Prayer. We are drops of one ocean. Speak everyone. We are drops of one ocean. OCEAN ocean. We are drops of one ocean. We are waves of one sea. Come and join us our quest or for unity. It's a way of life for you and me. We are flowers of one garden, or we are leaves of one tree. Come and join us in our quest or you for unity. It is way of life for you and me. All the world is one country, man is one, can't you see? Come and join us our quest for unity. It's a way of life for you and me. So we are drops of one ocean. Come and join us in our quest for unity. Okay, children. Ocean spelling. OCEAN ocean, garden GARDEN garden, unity UNITY unity. Okay children, so this was this song you all will read at home and also try to learn. Okay, now after that here next one is here. So children, these are the work that you all have to do. First children, you all will what? First you all will learn all the quotation and you will write the prayer number 2 and question on song number 1 in your copy with neat and clean handwriting. Okay you all, so with hope children, whatever I have explained in this video you all have understood very nicely. So at last again I am just saying children, thank you for watching this video till end, and also it will be very useful to complete your work. So once again thank you and have a good day.